Mhm. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you in detail about what's happening in few of the IT companies and few of the service-based IT companies itself. So these days, there is a lot of environment related to the stress, related to the toxic environment at the workplace the employees are been facing. And one of the situation has happened at one of the well-known service-based company itself. But before that, I would like to tell you about one of the digital product. See, I can understand the workplaces getting toxic and there's a lot of pressure, a lot of stress. So it's time to move on to the next company. It's time to look for the new opportunity. So for that, we have crafted an SDET interview questions and answers, which you can avail this digital product from the TopMate itself. And it is available for you to help you, to assist you to clear the interviews, right? So it contains the interview questions and answers asked in the product-based companies like Flipkart, Amazon, MasterCard, Apple. A lot of companies are asking such kind of questions. So you can get an idea from that particular product itself. Now, what's happening at TCS Gurugram, that is DLF Cyber City? So, literally, their exploitation has started, right? So, employees are being forced to work into continuous night shifts. And if some of the member is telling to their leadership or to their managers that as of now, we won't be able to work because already they are working 12 to 16 hours and there are no weekends, there are no weekend holidays. And if they are telling you, if they are telling that as of now it won't be possible for us to work, or if they are updating to their manager that they have got some priorities, definitely it would be there because you're not getting the holidays on Saturdays and Sundays. Monday to Fridays are also hectic. So when would you give the priorities to the other stuff? So those things are happening. Then in that case, they are getting the responses from the leadership, from the management team, as if that you don't, if you don't do it now, we'll see what happens later, right? That's not the leadership. That's not the kind of the work culture that we are looking for. So let's pause and reflect what is more important, right? Is the 16 hours of the work that is more important, or if you allow some particular employee to work for 8 to 10 hours and let them be productive? If you make anyone sit for 16 hours, do you think they would be productive to that level? They will be able to complete all the work of 16 hours in the same time? If they are able to complete it, then they are not a human being. They are a machine. They are a robot, right? So as a human being, it becomes very difficult to work for 16 hours at stretch. And this is not just about TCS, right? There's about every toxic workplace, right? Where they are using fear as the fuel, right? So as an employees, as in human beings, you definitely deserve respect. And you are humans, you are not robots, right? So productivity is very important. And you can give the quality, you can give the productivity from your and which machines or which robots won't be able to give. So that is why you are here. So as a human being, so the dealership team, the management should understand as a primary asset, right? So employees are the human beings, they are not machines. If any service-based company is asking you to work for 14 hours, 16 hours a day, it becomes a nightmare for you. Within 1 month, you'll be facing some of the, definitely you'll be facing some of the health issues and you would be going into the state of stress and depression. So try to get out from that company, try to switch to another particular company where the work environment is proper. See, there are exceptional chances when there is a release, if there is a blocker defect at that particular moment, there are times when you have to adjust with respect to the workplace. But it is not every time that you should face such kind of circumstances, right? Every time if you are getting into these kind of situations, every time if you are facing these kind of circumstances, then definitely there is something wrong in the approach. So it's my humble request to everyone out there, especially testers who are working in the companies like service-based companies, and you are looking for a switch, then try to avail these particular products as did interview questions and answers. It would definitely help you a lot. You'll get an idea what kind of questions are asked. And many times I have found people are telling that the same questions were asked, right? So the sooner you purchase it, the sooner you avail it, there are chances that you will clear the interview rounds as well, right? So this is one of the product available on TopMate, which you can avail for your preparation purpose, for your interview purpose. It would definitely help you a lot in your interviews. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.